Hello, everybody. Today we are gonna be playing some Teardown. I was originally planning to play Amanda the Adventure, but yeah. First off, okay, I need to make sure my mods are off. Good. So let's go to campaign. So yeah, I was originally planning to do Amanda. Jessica Switch, okay. Welcome. Okay, and this looks like some sort of thing out of Minecraft or something. Ooh, train. And what looks to be an auto rack. I mean, but it's a boxcar? Oh, but it has buffers and not a knuckle. And not even a. Okay. Just gonna not question that. Open the gate. Okay, that controls are weird, but okay. Um. Okay, big box. I'm gonna respectfully. Car. Wait, no. I'm not going inside. This is how you do it. Alright. Door has been officially cleared. If I go fly, this would be a lot easier, but I turned off my jetpack. For reasons. Okay, car in the shop. Train tracks going here. What? Is this? So this takes me up here, so I could theoretically get a car up here, right? Ooh, stuff. Oh. Replace the fuse. Okay. Yay. Okay. Okay, we gotta break our way in. Opens the door. We didn't need... Okay, we're not. We have a crane and a train car. So I'm guessing we're in like a scrapyard or something. I'm guessing. Door into the bathroom leads right outside. How convenient. Just for us. Break the thing. Wait, can I break the pooper? Yes, I could break the pooper. We're gonna have to be pooping outside. Demolition's going down. Construction going up. Okay. Says Tracy at the background teardown service. What about Tracy? Lee chemicals finally showed black figures for the last visual. Okay. Okay. New message. Tracy, gas bill. Gas bill just dropped on the floor. Honestly, I'm not sure we can make it through the month. Are you getting any requests at this point? I can't read. I'm sorry. I just can't read. Pretty much have to accept anything. Be creative. Hugs, mom. Heading of sales. Local teardown surface. Okay. Tracy again. It's my girl Tracy. Alright, this just came in. Sounds kinda fishy. But we need to but we need the money. You up for it? Okay. Good evening. My name is go to blah 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 blah. I need it gone by tomorrow. Okay. So would you be able to yes. Take care of old house. Play. Right. Alright. I could handle this. I can handle this, guys, right? Oh god, the old building. Okay. So this will need no sign. Um, there's. Are these explodey boys? Highly explosive. And car. Oh, are you serious? It only did that much damage? Like. Okay, that did more. I know there's something. Alright, here's something. Okay, I do take damage. Okay, that's something to be worried. I need my extinguisher. Out, I say! Out! Bombs. Come on, get rid of. Yay. I need to get rid of this. Get rid of this thing. You know what? I'm getting. Oh, there's a. You know what? I'm a man. A big man with little toys. Okay, so this car is not my way. We just have that sit there. You need to get rid of this house. Okay. I almost flipped. Like, what? I am the world's best at demolition, after all. Oh, not really, but... Now I break the rest of the house down with my hammer. There we go. Oh, of course. It's always stairs. No light shall be given. Alright. I haven't been talking much because I'm absorbed into games because I always get attached. I wish I had a bigger one. I want a bigger one. Come on, get rid of the house. $3.5 meters too tall. What? Alright. Get it down. Down, I say. Down. Okay. Okay. Alright, that's apparently good enough. Mission complete. Get to escape. Okay, only like 4 months to get that done. Continue. Okay. Frick off. Okay. Now let's get done here. Refrigerator. Our lone little table. And down we go. Oh no. Ooh. That's not what it looked like. The poor little hound. Break the TV! I want a yellow TV now. Okay, that'll do. New message. What a morning. Should have taken that job. I knew something wasn't right. That building was under cultural heritage protection, and the demolition is now part of a criminal investigation. What? I hear my TV. Off. Alright. I don't know what she wants, but just do it. She'll email you directly. Okay. Just so you know. Okay. You, if you do the. Okay. I'm not reading all that. You guys can pause the video and read it. The chemical computer. Alright. Wow, leaving the gate wide as day open. There's someone here because there's a truck here. Okay, there's one. Where are the others? So, need to get into the office somehow. And back in here. Guess we go to far one. And we get to the office one. Far boy. Perfect. That was not my intention. But I may not just that's not my intention is to get these to explode. Okay, whatever. Alright. Aha, perfect. Therefore I don't run it into the sea. It's dead. Killed. What the hell? So how do I... So I presume it's... Okay, it's there. So I had to get up there, but Ooh. Grabbing. Yo, did I had other intentions, but... want to get in, but is this seriously like out? Make sure we pull. Okay. Anyway, other way to get in. Ooh. Okay. I need valuables in here. Okay. I now learn that valuables are good. Okay. Let's get out of here. I would drive the truck, but it's dead now. Alright, is that like a police? Oh, that's like a power thing, right? And now we get to the office here. I really don't know how we're gonna get in. It's unlocked. I'm gonna. Huh. I have an idea. Car, help me. No, there are other ways, but there are good ways too. Make an entrance like Sizen. There we go. Alright, now where is that gonna be? Yeah, but it won't let me break my TV. I heard there are like valuables in the wall in this building, so I'm gonna look for those. It's brick. Ooh, there it is. It's valuable. I'm getting my money up. It broke the valuable. Okay, about that. Oh, there's. Oh, this is the. There we go. That was a lot of money. Alright, so I guess we got. I need to run out to my little escape vehicle. That's fine. Alright, here we are. Alright, we're doing good. We are doing good. We're doing great. Okay. What now? There has been a break-in at Lee Chemicals. The perpetrator caused property damage and major to get away with electronic equipment. Wow. Alright then. Upgraded security. Oh god, what now? Alright. For customer. Right. Oh, that's old. So there's new stuff now. Why are we going back to the chemical? Alright, it's gonna be go time. Right. This is where all the marbles get thrown into. Okay. Why are we doing this during sunrise? Aren't people meant to be arriving? I do not know what place this is. This is... care. Okay, let's go around on this... The chemical, are you really this stupid? Alright, let's see. I would want to start over here. Get to there. And then get to here. No, wait, here to there to there. Alright, that... So, boom. Alright, so we need to set up a path. We need the path. Load. We need a path. Talk about security. Is it in here? Alright, it's in there. So we need to get in there somehow. God. No one way. Alright, there we go. Right now, it's in this back corner. Is it up here? Good. Oh, yeah, it is. Alright, it's there. So, we're gonna have to really move. Next one is in this building. Alright. Perfect. Alright. Not gonna grab that. Perfect, man. We'll jump out here to here. Try to find a way. Is there like any way to get through? I want to get out. Get to there. Huh. Why is there shit on? Maybe I'll just jump down here, but then here's the second one. I need a bus through here. Get to this one. I don't know how to get up here from this building. That's why. That's the issue. I don't know how to get into here. Well, I have an idea. Honestly, that was pretty sick. Perfect. Raise my boom up. Yeah. Get it up there so I could... Jesus. Okay, so I can, maybe... I could crouch. Okay, that's... Okay, let's run it from the top and make sure this is successful, right? I don't know what happened, but my thing has glitched, and I don't know if that affected the video. But hope it didn't. Alright. Okay, so game for is hello? Oh god, that is strange. Let's run through it. Grab that. Jump down here. Run through here. Get onto this stupid machinery. This is an issue right here. This brick thing. Yeah, grab that one. Now, where do I go now? Huh. Ooh. Out here. I would say onto the pipe. Huh. Hmm. How would I get there? I have an idea, but doubt it would dump you. Help me out, help me out. Help, get me out. Get me out. Come on. Ooh, maybe. I got an idea. Again. Get me out. Oh! Yep, yes, maybe, yes. Yes! I was on the roll. Probably couldn't have gone out by now, but... Okay, so... I still don't... Alright, let's work from here back. Let's work from there to back. Because this is becoming a real... We need to break this first, so... This little snazzy truck. Over here. For the love of Jesus. Can I get into here for the with the trick? Yes. Yes, sir. Damage. Damage. So there's damage there. I don't think I did. Alright, so I'm guessing is I have to get alright, first of all let's explore the facility here. There's that. So how did I do this before a while ago? Like, how did I manage to do this? I know I did it. Huh. I'm actually confused. Damn it. Oh, maybe. Get on here. Alright, that's the way out. That's the way out. Jump here. Alright, that's the way out, but the thing is, to get to there, I have an idea. That works. We need to break that. And figure out. Dump that out. Perfect. Alright. Oh! Back it up. Raise it. Maybe. Frickin' perfect. Alright. I think. Now let's run through our path. Where even is the first one right now? Alright, it's right there. Alright, let's run for our path of victory. It just has a practice run. Jump down here. Alright, we go for the building. Jump, crouch, crouch even more. Oh god. Oh, that's sort of an issue getting stuck here. Game lagging again. Get up there. God. For God's sakes. Alright, this area I have quickly learned it's not the best thing. Oh, idea. Okay. I just moved this a bit forwards. But then I got... Oh, for God's sakes! Alright, there's that. Alright, so I jump off there. Just imagine I did that. And we travel through. Crouch. Jump. Grab the thing. Go over here. Jump down onto this pipe. Go, 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 go. Jump on the roof. Jump right on in. Grab it. No, wait. It's not meant to be... Oh, yeah. Grab the thing. Run back out the same way. And get... Jump here. And get to the... Okay. Let's run through that one more time before I actually do it. Just one more time. Because that was a bit problematic. And I need to make sure I do this with full success. Okay. Come in here. Back up. Grab it. Jump down. Alright. Go for here. Run. Run. Crouch. Crouch. Get in here. Crouch some more. Jump. Grab the thing. And jump. And get onto you. Grab it. Okay. So I have this pretty settled down. Just need to fully abolish this window. Alright. That seems pretty perfect. So if we fail it, we could always do it again, right guys? Yeah. Alright. God, my anxiety is in charge right now. Alright. As soon as we grab this, it'll be go time. Grab. Quick save. We have a minute? I'm running. I'm sprinting. Jump, crouch, jump, grab the thing. Oh god, damn it, god damn it! Run! Jump up, jump! Okay, jump two. Go, go! Go, 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 get! Let's go. Okay, it took me 14 minutes. Time left, 25 seconds. Okay. That seems like a pretty good, like, stage area thing. Like, stage thing. I think that path is an inevitable victory. I think I did good there. Alright, so that's my path. Me personally, I did good. I got new equipment. What are you? I don't know what this is. Keep clear. I don't know what. I don't know. Oh, it's beautiful outside. Okay, there's a garden. Stuff seems new. Oh, there's stuff over there. Alright. Stuff seems new. I like this. Seems new. I like it. Ooh, bless me. God bless me. Alright. So we and a passenger carriage? I don't know what that is, but it seems like something that goes like on a heritage railway. Alright, it seems nice. Alright. Let's watch the news. I did not do that. I did good. Alright, Tracy. Need cough. Need cough. Why do you... Oh god. Gordon Wu is next. They turned off the gas. I can't even make a proper coffee anymore. We really need to bring in more clients. I'll reach out to Gordon and see if he has something else. I'm 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 I haven't heard back from the police. That thing's sorted. Mom. Okay. Gordon. Thanks for helping me out with the building. Blah 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 blah. Could you use your demolition skills again to remove one of the timeshares cabins? Alright. So I'm presuming we are in Europe due to train cars and the way this map looks. So let's get on it. Okay. Okay. So what do I need? Boom. E. I mean, you need to clear all required. What do you mean I need to clear all requirements first? I'm allowed to drive a car. I'm driving over there. Ooh. I'm good at driving. I'm good at driving, you know? Alright, so I need a... So this is the thing. They even got it outlined for me. One door. Right. Not even a thing in the... Aha. Valuables. Oh, any valuables? No. I think I need to remove you. Alright, I think I did good. Oh, that might be our escape vehicle. Just removing all the supports below it should do the trick. Right? I'm fit for a night. And the trailer park. Alright, there we go. Imagine if they were in there and we just ran them over with the boat. Like, what? I don't think this boat has barely any more give. So I'm gonna put it on retirement break. Alright, I'm gonna have to move the car a bit closer to me so I could drift on over to my boat. This car will be ready for me. Alright, there it is. Alright, let's get this boat here to finish off the job. Alright, just push that aside. Okay. These are dangerous stuff I'm stepping on. I'll take out all of them. Demolition has been complete. Get to your escape vehicle. Wait, option. What else do I have to do? I have to demolition. What required? And there's one optional. So how tall are you? There's something in here. It's up. Break the floor below it. Yes. Thank you. Dump this in the water. Let's get to the... It's so heavy. Frick, I'm running a car through this place. Frick it. God freaking what? Right, oh my god. Run into the building. Push it. My god. God, get into the damn building, like god. Are you getting a more powerful because that I'm gonna burn this truck down actually. I'm actually gonna use a blowtorch, like I'm not. Yeah. I'm not. That's more of a plow truck. Don't have to worry now. Go. You know what? I'm just gonna drag it because there's no reason why I need a blowtorch. Blowtorches are essential when you're doing dangerous things like this. There we go. Where is it? Alright, I'm gonna need a crane. At this point. Like, I just can't seem to be able to drag this. Come here. Come here. Oh my god. Why are you even still attached? Like, what? Get over here. Alright, so I have to jump. Alright, so I have to Jump. Oh, God. Get it into the seat. How have you not? Oh. Get into the seat. Perfect. Mission complete. Freaking hell. I put you into the sea. There we go. Alright. Where's my escape boot at? Alright, escape boat tour. Yes, sir. 9 minutes. Wow. Well, I should call it here, ladies and gents, because I have other things to do tonight besides this YouTube thing. And I will actually see y'all in the next one. Bye!